Hi guys, it's Jen and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to see how quickly I can get this makeup on and see if I can complete this challenge without completely overdoing it. This is the less is more challenge. Basically kind of it's not a no makeup, but it's still put makeup on your face, but not as much makeup as you normally would put on your face. If that makes any sense, I hope it does. But I will link the video that I watched and everything down below. I cannot remember the girl's name for the life of me, and it's on the tip of my tongue. It just doesn't want to come out. So I will link that video below if you guys want to check it out. And I don't know if she was the first person to ever do a video like this, but it was just one that I thought would be fun to do. Just because I thought it would be fun to do. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into this, and I'm going to be using quite a bit of ColourPop products in this video because I just did a haul video for you guys, and I'm sorry that there's so many haul videos on my channel right now. It's just like, I'm hoarding makeup right now because I took so long and didn't buy any for so long. So now it's like I'm playing catch up to everything that I wanted to buy before, which some of it wasn't even out before. But okay, let's just jump into this video. So I already have my moisturizer on, and my skin is so dry right now, guys. It's just like crazy that my like face is drinking everything up. So I am going to be using the ColourPop brow pencil. I don't know, they've got two different types of brow pencils, but this is the first one they came out with. So first I am going to just run this spoolie part through my brows. That would just be so messed up. Okay. So I'm going to flip my mirror and get a little close, and I am going to attempt to not overdo my brows. So I'm just gonna go with my natural shape. I'm going to do very, very light because I'm doing less is more. So this is probably going to be a challenge for me. I'm going to try to use less product of everything and possibly try to skip some products. We'll see how well this works out. Okay, I can already tell I'm overdoing my brows. Little bit right there in the front. Okay, come on girl, you can do this. You can. I don't know, does that look like less is more? I knew I was gonna, like, this is hard for me, guys, because like my brows, they're totally different, and this one like is missing so much hair. So now I have to try to make them match without making it look like I put a ton of product in them. So it's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna be going in with the ColourPop No Biggie palette. This is one of their pre-made little 4-pan eyeshadow palettes, and this one actually has a mirror in it, and their old ones did not. And this packaging is like so sleek compared to their old packaging. It's insane. So these are the colors. Let me try to cover this. So this is a Sidekick, Lay Low, Feathered, and 20 something. So I'm going to be using these today to do less is more with really intense colors. Even though I'm doing less is more, I still have to have a primer to put these shadows on because I got some super oily lids. This is the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I'm just going to dip into my finger, but I'm going to try to use a small amount. So barely, basically just enough to cover like my eyelid, and then I'll blend it up. So like I'm not even getting up there where I normally would for my brow bone. Or just basically covering the lid. So I'm still doing less is more. Not cheating. I am not cheating. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shade and Lay Low, And I'm going to be taking this on. These came in the Birchbox a while back. A friend of mine actually gave them to me. But I'm going to go in with the 207, so the angled brush. So I'm going to go into this peachy shade and lay low. And I'm just going to run this in the crease because I am only going to be doing 2 shades. So we're gonna do less is more, but I still gotta have something there. So less is more. We are doing it. Going back in. And the other eye. This video should not take very long, except for the 40 minutes I wasted on my brows. I don't think it was 40 minutes, but it was a while. Alright. I'm gonna go in with the 213. And I am going to go into Comeback Kid, and I'm just going to apply this all over the lid. Less is more, less is more. Alright, I'm having to dip into this product quite a bit. So I don't know if it's the brush so much or if it's just me with my mentality of less is more today. Okay, so I feel like I'm doing a sloppy job. Alright. This actually doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna go back in with the angled brush, and I'm not picking up any more product. I'm just basically blending. Okay. So there we go. Blend it out. Very natural. So there we go. That's what we got, y'all. It looks like I don't have anything on my lids. So now I am going to curl my lashes. I hate you, eyelash curler. I absolutely hate you. Then I am going to go in with the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara and go ahead and apply this before we do the rest of my face. I don't ever think I really overdo it with mascara, so this is not a step I'm gonna struggle with. But I'm not applying eyelashes today. Even the magnetic ones, I'm not applying them. So it's gonna be a little fun. Hope I'm staying in camera for you guys, but let's try flipping the mirror. You like my funny faces that I make? Alright, no lashes, which is so odd for me, guys. I am going to go in with concealer next, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me. Like I said, this is less is more, so I'm not actually going to be using foundation today, or a liquid foundation. I'm going to take this Fit Me concealer. This is in light, which actually is a little yellow on me. And I'm going to go down my nose. Basically, I am going to use this as a concealer without using liquid foundation. Basically to cover all of my redness. I'm going to take this Moda brush right here. This is the contour, the smaller one, not the biggest one. So if this was the biggest one, I would be scared that my face was like humongous. So I'm going to take this basically because this brush spreads product out so well that I'm kind of cheating a little bit, because this is going to help everything look a little more flawless. So I'm cheating a bit with my brush choices. But it's still less product, and it's a less is more, so I'm not using a ton of product. I'm just using other tools that are going to help me achieve it. And if you guys haven't tried these Moda brushes, you really need to. I never bought the I am like blending like crazy. This concealer dried very quickly on my face. So there we go. I've still got some redness, but not nearly as much as I did. So I think that looks really good. So next, just because I am not using a full coverage foundation and I am just wearing concealer, I need something to set it with. And I'm not going to be using a loose powder, I'm going to be using a pressed powder. This is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Airbrush Perfecting Powder Sheer to Full Coverage, and this is in the shade Fair. So I have dug into this a little bit, made a mess with it, but this is what it looks like. And I'm going to be taking this big powder brush, swirling around in there, and I'm just going to stipple on my face just to give myself some more coverage. Just a little, we don't need a lot. So I'm going to be using the MAC Harmony blush. I told you guys about this in my February favorites, and I'm going to be using the Morphe M530 brush, which mine, I always put like little brush guards on everything so everything keeps its shape, and this definitely looks more like a little, I don't know, tulip mushroom. I don't know, it looks like something. So yes, I am going to pick up this product and I'm gonna tap it off on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to go where I would normally contour and just kind of bring it up on my cheeks a little bit more, like a blush. I'm gonna just pull it here because, you know, we're doing less is more. So right there. So I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Smoke and Whistles. This has a little bit more of a peachy tone to it, so it's not going to be so bad. And I'm going to tap off. So I'm just going to go very, oh man. Okay, maybe that was a wrong call. Well, no, it's not too bad. It's not too intense. So I am going to be going in with the Luxe lipstick in Tiptoes. This is one of the new ones from their spring collection. And this is going to be my first time trying this lipstick on. Okay, this is a lot better. A very light peachy-ish pink nude. So I am definitely gonna have to use a setting spray because my skin is so dry and I am not used to powder as much as I would use, you know, more of a liquid foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Sephora, this is their Set and Refresh spray. So obviously I used a good amount of setting spray, and with that I definitely didn't use less, I used a lot more. I just kind of wanted to get rid of the little wrinkly creasing bits around my nose because my skin is very dry right now, and I think you can always use more setting spray than what you know, have to. So that's the part of the video where I kind of failed, but I do like the look that I created. Like, I keep looking at it because it is very minimal makeup. Almost, if you wanted to call it a video where it's a no makeup, but man, this you can tell I got makeup on. But I think it looks pretty good. It's very subtle, not a ton of makeup, very light. I think this is basically what I used to wear before I got really into hardcore you know, makeup and was like, I am doing my makeup today. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave me a like down below. And that is the end of this video, and until next time, bye guys. I am stopping myself, and these are my brows. These are the brows for this video, guys. So don't criticize me on my brows.